Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to discuss YouTube's hottest male doctors. And come back next week to see Kelly deliver the results of our competition. And don't worry, we still have plenty of medical procedures and discussion, so click the subscription button and the notification bell. And based on your feedback, we have a competition between 4 candidates. Comment below with who you think is the world's hottest doctor. First up is Dr. Gabriel. From Sao Paulo, Brazil, Dr. Gabriel works at the Institution of Neurological Medicine, a clinic that he owns. He has 52,000 followers on Facebook and over 650,000 followers on Instagram. He's an avid beachgoer and jet skier. Next is Dr. Mike. He's a board-certified FM physician from New York City with over 3.5 million Instagram followers. Wow. He also enjoys time at the beach, public speaking, and his YouTube channel has over 5 million subscribers. He also has a smashing Facebook fan page. I'll include that link below. I highly recommend you check it out. So, does Dr. Mike get your vote? Comment below. Third, Dr. Winston Lee. He works in men's health and has 12,000 followers on Instagram. His hobbies include skincare and showing off his abs. Comment below if you think Dr. Winston Lee is YouTube's hottest doctor. And last but not least is Dr. Justin James. Dr. James is a fashion-forward observer of the finer things in life. This emergency physician spends most of his day fixing broken legs and breaking hearts. He's never seen a selfie he didn't like, and these are his 2 most popular pictures. Comment below if Dr. James is your favorite. So, which heartthrob gets your vote? Is it Dr. Gabriel, Dr. Mike, Dr. Winston, or Dr. James? Come back next week for the results. And hit that subscribe button and make sure to click the notification bell for updates. Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stock up on Meta 7. Meta 7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system. So if you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta 7 today.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina. If I miss a day, there's no doubt I lose energy earlier in the day, and I won't go without it in the future.
It has helped me so very much with working. It gives me a lot more energy throughout the day, and instead of being in the middle of the day, I can get through my whole day, and it's been working really well.
And I have a lot of energy. I'm not wired up or anything. It feels natural, and I recommend this product to everyone. So get your bottle of Meta 7 today.
Check out the Amazon links in the description below, and you can order today with Amazon Prime.